Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to walk you through how to get Tradingview to say order failed. Now, the truth is that you can actually do this because it is not dependent on Tradingview alone. The platform is designed for analysis and generating signals, not for receiving live execution data from most brokers. To receive a true order failed alert, you must use the notification system provided by your broker. Since your broker is the entity that actually executes the order, it is the only platform that knows the exact moment an order is filled. For example, interactive brokers, TD, Ameritrade, and eTrade all have mobile apps and desktop platforms that can send you push notifications, emails, or desktop alerts the instant an order is executed. This is a standard universal method. You need to enable order confirmation alerts within your broker's account settings. Why Tradingview cannot do this natively is because Tradingview can send orders to your broker via its trading panel. However, for most broker integration, it does not establish a live two-way connection that allows it to listen for an alert on order status. An alert on order status updates like field. This is a technical limitation of the API connections for most brokers. But if you are using a specialized third-party automation service like WaveScript or Zapier that can monitor your broker's API for order status changes, you could potentially build a system where a field at your broker triggers an action that creates a notification. However, this is a complex technical setup and is not a feature of Tradingview itself. So if you want a true order field alert, stop looking in Tradingview. The answer is your broker's app. Hope you found this video helpful.